सब कुछ दिखा दो। We always have so much fun together. We had a really great time working in English Winglish. So, the moment I entered, I saw the whole unit of English Winglish. I felt so good.
The English Winglish seems like, okay, abhi to khatam hua, but the shoot has ended like almost a year ago. So it's nice to go back with, with the camera and behind camera with Sridevi in front again. And most of my team is the same, which was on the feature film. Some of them are there. My assistants and all are part of it. So good fun, yeah.
ये तो माइनस स्टाइल है।
Tanishq is actually manufactured in Tamil Nadu and is loved all over India. Vanki, a lot of rubies and emerald pieces.
She is Sridevi. She overhears that, she possibly doesn't remember Tamil, and then she decides to have a little bit of fun. And because the space is so comfortable for her, she just decides to have fun, and she's also of the jewelry that Tanishq has. So, it's a mix of all of that.
Well, we try to put everything together, and especially जो बहुत famous character था माइल कह के, तो काफी dialogues last. The punch line is like, I don't want to say, I think. Let them see.
What influences me is she's fun, and there's one absolute fun side to her, which for me it's Mr. India, Chalbaz, that fun side of her. If you could capture that in the mood and spirit over here, and it's a little new even for the Tanishq space, and that's what's supremely interesting. And the way it's turning out, we are all sitting and laughing, and it was great fun to see that.
What she's done even in this ad film, which I couldn't do in English Winglish, uski bhadaas I have nikalo here.
லாடி வரும் நம்ம வீட்டு கல்யாணத்துக்கு சரியா இருக்கு. ஏனுங்கண்ணா ஒழுங்கா பிடிங்க. நம்ம வீட்டு கல்யாணத்துக்கு சரியா இருக்குங்க. Why should I teach her? Because her husband is Tamilian.
Vanakkam vanga yes solike yenna solige yenna pada simla. Once he learns Marathi, I shall learn Tamil.
She has no clue what was I talking, but she goes by my expression.
She's a big leg puller and very, very naughty.
They're both celebrities in their own field, and they're both extremely successful. For us, as I said, the important thing is to make them comfortable. The more comfortable they are, the more it shows on screen, both for the director and for the actor. And that is one of our challenges, to give them an environment where then all they have to think about is a film and nothing else.
Tamil Nadu is a market for jewelry is very large, and we were trying to make a larger play in that market. And we wanted a personality who was well known but not very familiar. A little edge, a marketing edge in terms of somebody who's Tamilian but not Tamilian. And so we had an interesting personality like Sridevi, who was Tamilian but not Tamilian, and we could get an interesting story out of it. That's how we picked up Sridevi.
I totally surrendered to Gauri, and I'm like a newcomer in front of her. So जो वो कहती है तो मैं बिल्कुल एक ओबीडियंट एक्ट्रेस की तरह, एक न्यू कमर की तरह मैं कर लेती हूँ. एड फिल्म्स में ज़्यादा दिन शूटिंग नहीं होती है. देखिए मेरे घर के सामने है, और नॉट इवन 5 मिनट्स 2 days में काम हो जाता है, तो यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम. एंड फिल्म इज़ लॉन्ग कमिटमेंट, इट्स अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग. जी सुन रही हूँ स्क्रिप्ट, ऐसे कुछ जल्दी में नहीं हूँ, कुछ ऐसे नहीं है, कुछ तो करना है. सो इफ एट ऑल आई डू, डेफिनेटली इट शुड सेटिस्फाई मी एंड आई शुड बी रियली कॉन्फिडेंट टू डू दैट फिल्म.
கோலமயில் ஆடி வரும் அழகு இதில் தெரியும்.
ஆடி வரும்னா வாக்கிங்.
So
கோலமயில் ஆடி வரும் அழகு இதில் தெரியும். जो भी अगर मैं ज्वेलरी पहन रही हूँ तनिष्क का, तो इट शुड स्टैंड आउट. दैट्स व्हाई वी केप्ट द साड़ी वेरी सिंपल, एंड सभ्या ने ये साड़ी किया, और आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सिंपल एंड ब्यूटीफुल. कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाती हूँ, एंड माई डॉटर्स और somebody has to mummy cool down. मैंने उनको बुलाए हैं तो बैठे हैं तो पता भी नहीं था, तो मैं अचानक देखा तो चुपचाप चले जाएंगे बिफोर आई कुड डिमांड एनीथिंग.
This has to be this man. This has to be this man.
Very nice.
आज तक मैं वो एक ईयररिंग है जो मैं अभी तक संभाल के रखी हूँ, वो मेरी माँ ने मेरे को गिफ्ट दिया है. दैट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक आई गॉट माय डायमंड ईयररिंग.